Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the CheckMate token. Ticker symbol is CMT. This token just got listed on CoinGecko just today, brand new listing. You could already tell that this token is going to be about chess. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the CheckMate token. Like I said, CMT is the ticker symbol. Right now it's up 4.5%. Just got listed this morning on CoinGecko. Immortal.game is their official webpage. This is an Ethereum token. You could find their Etherscan listed here on CoinGecko. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. You'd go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and you would trade your Ethereum for the CMT token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko. You can find the contract address on their Etherscan or their official webpage, immortal.game. There's also all sorts of places you could find the contract address. Just make sure you have the right one, of course. And you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. Now, if you want to find updates, they have a bunch of socials listed on here. They have a Twitter, Telegram, Discord, Medium. They have a price chart, contract address, Etherscan, all that type of stuff is listed on here. So their Medium articles, it looks like there is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Medium articles so far that you could check out. So they're posting consistently on here. One is about their team. They talk about the Immortal Dream Team. What is the Immortal Game is another one. So what do you get when you combine chess, NFTs, and a play-to-earn gaming model? You get the new project, the Immortal Game. Before we dive into the project, let's talk about the original chess game. So they talk about how chess dates all the way back 2,000 years in India. They talk about how it's simple and complex. Now, I've been listening to a lot of the AI podcasts with Lex Friedman lately, and he's had a lot of chess players on his podcast, and it's very interesting to me, actually. Magnus Carlsen right now seems to be one of the best, or if not the best, chess player in the world. And he's been on there a couple times. I've been learning about more things about chess recently. So that's a good place to learn about chess, is to listen to some podcasts on chess, while you're doing something else. So the game is currently played by 600 million to 1 billion players worldwide. So in other words, it's still very popular. It says, for us, let's talk about the Immortal Game and put it in perspective. It says chess has been around for a millennium. Its popularity is at an all-time high, and it's not going anywhere anytime soon. For these reasons, purists can rest assured that we are not changing the rules of chess. What we do instead is enhancing the game with cutting-edge gamified features enabled by NFTs, creating an entire game design with levels, quests, achievements, and a league system with seasons, integrating it into in a play-to-earn gaming universe to incentivize competition and wealth creation. Over the coming days, we'll elaborate more on these points. So that's one of their newest, or that's not a new one, but that's one of their very first, articles about what the Immortal Game is, and then they go over in a different article how the Immortal Game works. So it says, to begin with, Immortal Game rules are identical to chess rules. Each player has this many pieces. They go through all the same thing: pawns, knights, bishops. So if you want to actually learn how to play chess, you can read about it in their Medium articles. So what changes here? Number 1, players start each game with 1 to 4 immortals and 9 to 12 regular chess pieces. Number 2, players strategically choose where to place their immortals. Number 3, in each game, immortals have quests they must achieve to unlock rewards. At this point, you'd be wondering, what is an immortal? Good question. So, a Immortal game is set up with a dual token structure. So they have, originally they had the IGE token, which is the utility token, and the GMT token, which is the Grand Master token. So now they have the CMT token on top of that. So now there's 3 tokens involved. So they go over the total supply of the IGE token. It's a fixed supply of 1 billion tokens. They go over the other token as well. So you could read all about their other 2 tokens and how the immortals work and all that type of stuff on one of their Medium articles here as well. For the new token here, the CheckMate token, they have a max total supply of 200,000 CheckMate tokens according to their Etherscan. So far they only have 137 holders, so it's very brand new. And 1,343 transfers and 18 decimal places on this token according to their Etherscan here. So it's play to earn, it's free to play. Immortal game introduces a new layer of strategy to the most played board game in the world. Collect ageless and immortal chess pieces, complete their quests, and dominate the leaderboards. And it says play for free, and you can click on that. So it says trusted by 50 plus global chess ambassadors. It has all their faces on here, names, who they are. Like one person's, they have the Jizza from Wu-Tang's on here. They have, anyways, they have the youngest player to defeat Magnus Carlsen. I was just talking about him, by the way. And so it says same rules, new strategies, great rewards. Immortals are stylish NFTs that represent specific chess pieces linked to optional quests, favoring particular play styles. Completing your immortal quests will increase the amount of leaderboard points you can earn to win the game. So this seems pretty cool. It says you can earn rewards by playing with your immortal NFTs or with the free ageless pieces. The top players with the leaderboards will be rewarded weekly in crypto, NFTs, and more. You can also trade immortal pieces in the marketplace with live auctions to instant buy. Practice like the pros. You can join the Discord if you want to find more information. They also have a Twitter, Instagram, Telegram linked on here. You can change the language. You can log in or sign up on their webpage. Refer friends to earn. There's a marketplace, leaderboard. You could watch or you could play the beta version. So check it all out at Immortal.game is their official webpage. Check out the Medium articles and check out the new token listing on CoinGecko. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. Check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.